What's up, everybody? Sonic Monarch SSBB here, and I'm going to be basically doing basically a little Skype randomness, but it's mostly me testing out my new ringtones. Now,
hi.
Nightmare's in here as well, trying to be Mr. Popo.
It didn't work out that well.
No, it didn't. Anywho, in order to set up your, your intro, well, not your intro, your sound for Skype, like ringtones, dial tones, and shit, basically what you gotta do is, you have to, you have to either convert what you want into a WAV file, or use a WAV or Skype file that has to be below 1.5 MB, which is 12 seconds or less, unfortunately. But yeah, basically,
it sucks.
Yeah. The good thing is, though, you can have your own custom ringtones instead of the, regular ones. So yeah. So you basically import your sounds, you find your sounds that are in here, that are WAV or Skype, and, you move on from there. Like, the ringtone is actually this. That's actually my ringtone.
Woo!
So yeah, I'm going to have Mr. Nightmare do me the honors of calling me. Okay?
It's a secret fantasy for me to call him.
Yeah. Yeah. So. See? It works pretty well. Now, if I eject Mr. Blitz, who is currently offline, this is what happens. Also, this is what happens when I put the call on hold.
Come on!
This is what happens when I put the call off of hold. All these and more sounds will come in random videos. Basically what that means is, I'll put them in videos because I can. So yeah. So if you hear a random noise like this,
come on,
or this, that is Skype. So yeah. With that, Sonic Monarch SSBB out with
Nightmare, see you in your dreams.
Yeah, he'll be Mr. Popo. Bye. I thought he would do it. I guess not.
Yeah, I got distracted. I saw a butterfly.
Bye.